So I was thinking as I was drawing along about the value of hand skills. Now, in this age of automation, AI, all these things, it would be easy not to engage in learning to do things with our hands. And when I say learning to do things with our hands, I don't just mean drawing and painting. I mean playing a musical instrument, learning how to fix a car, sewing, cooking, all kinds of things that we train our hands to do, and the great value of it actually throughout our lifetimes. Now think about it. When we're young, learning to do something very well by practicing, just by disciplining ourselves to do one of those hand skills over and over again, it instills a confidence in us. You know, there's always things that life throws at us, and sometimes we feel like we don't do very well at something. But if we have a hand skill, we can always say, you know, but I can do that. And that's a valuable thing, especially when we're young. And in the middle portions of life, having hand skills is a great management tool for life. We don't have to hire out someone to do every little thing. Or we have something that we can trade with. Hey, do you mind helping me with this? I'll cook you a great meal. We can trade off. It's a great management tool for life to have different skills that we learn with our hands. And when we get older, it is really good for our brains to learn new skills, to learn new things. It keeps us more alert longer. It fights against dementia, that kind of thing. So it's really good for our brains as we're older. And when we get very old, it is so important to have something where we feel like we can contribute, where we can do something not only for ourselves, but especially for other people, because we all want to feel like we can contribute something. And if we have developed some kind of hobby, some kind of skill with our hands, we can continue to do some of those things, even if they're at a limited amount. But we can still give people things. We can add to their lives. And that's a tremendous feeling for ourselves as well. So hand skills, I was just thinking, you know, it's just really worth the time and effort it takes to pick something and learn how to do it to the best of our ability. You know, they say practice makes perfect. I've never made anything perfect, but practice certainly makes a whole lot better. So anyway, those are my thoughts on hand skills. We'll talk to you on the next one.